Welcome friends. In this today video, I will teach you how to analyze a dotnet Core project with a SonarQube. Okay, so let's get started. So first, we need to make sure that our SonarQube server is running on local. And for that, we make sure that localhost colon 9000 is the default port on which the SonarQube server is running on any local machine on Windows. I press this, so it means I have up and running the SonarQube. Okay, to run a code analysis for the .NET Core project, we need to first have a .NET Core project. So let's create a .NET Core project and let's name it a .NET Core project. Press next and let's choose the latest version, which is the 5.0, and let's create. Okay, so the project is created. So let's build it and run it for the first time to make sure that everything is properly set up. Okay, the project is start running and it will default take the port of 44371. Might be it is different for you, but don't worry. Okay, welcome. So now we have set up the ASP.NET Core project successfully. Okay, now let's go to the SonarQube projects and create a new project. As I am running the code from my local machine, so I select them manually. Otherwise, there are some other options available. Okay, let's name the project same what we have named it in the Visual Studio, and we have a netcore project. Click Setup. Your project key and the project display name should be unique. If you have more than one projects available in the SonarQube, make sure that every project have a unique name and a project name key. Click on Setup. Okay, now I need to link the source code with this project. I have source code available local machine, so I click local, and in this generate a token. If I have make it unique, so let's copy this name and paste here as a name or as a token, and it will generate a unique token for us for this project. So this will be the unique token for this project. Click on continue. Okay, here we need to click on .NET, and under the .NET we have two options, .NET Core and .NET Framework. So the first option is for us, and here is an guide that make sure that the .NET tool folder in your local path is set, and also the .NET tool is also installed into your system. To check this, that whether this .NET tool is installed or not into your system, we simply need to press the window icon and then the CMD, and then right click on this Node.js command and right click as an admin and simply type the .NET. Okay, the .NET is available and .NET tool is also up and running. And if you are not getting this result, it means .NET tool is not installed. So you need to simply copy this command and run it here, just like this one. So it will install the .NET tool, install dash dash global .NET scanner, SonarScanner. Once you hit the enter, it will install the .NET tool for the .NET SonarScanner, and it make it available for the globally. So after that, whenever we run it from the project or fold project directory, this .NET SonarScanner command is available. So let me hit run. You see, it say the SDK version, this one available, mean that this is the .NET Core SDK which I have installed in my system, all these telemetry system, and it give me a warning message that tool.NET Sonar Scanner is already installed. But if you don't have .NET Sonar Scanner available into your system, it will install it for you, right? Okay, so what's next? So next we have three commands. We need to copy it one by one and need to run in the project directory. We click the copy and let's go to the right click on this solution folder, go to the project or file directory either from here, either you can browse through the folder explorer. So this is the project, this is the folder of the project. So okay, this is the project for which I need to run this Sonar Scanner for the .NET Core. So let's simply type the CMD here, or you can open the command line and change the directory and reach to your desired project location. So let me expand it for the just real space. And I have already copied this command from here. Copy it, let paste me and hit enter. Okay, SonarQube build and scanning start, because this command says .NET Sonar Scanner begin for this project for this key on this location, right? And the next command is .NET build. Either we can simply type it or we can simply copy it, paste, and simply press the hit button or hit the enter button. It's actually based on your project size and based on your project number of source file, it will take time because this is a very simple and lightweight project and the template project, so it will not taking too much time. So build succeeded, you will definitely got this message. And before to run the command against the project in the command line, you make sure that you have properly build the project into the Visual Studio. Okay, let's go to the last command, which is the command which says the Sonar Scanner that okay, generate the code quality and code coverage report for this project. So hit enter. You see all the file are starting analyzed by the Sonar Scanner, and all individual file, either it's a C# file, JS file, TypeScript file, or any other file in that solution or project, it will actually analyze all these things. And whenever you first time run it, it will definitely show you a quality score or quality gate as a pass. So don't be fooled by this statement, because SonarQube has something which is whenever you run it first time against any project, it actually says that okay, this is your first run and I will like pass everything whatever you have done already, but on the next consecutive run it actually show the original report. Okay, so our analysis is complete and the report is available, and report is available here on this project directory, project location. So let me go to this here, and you see it automatically generate report for us. Okay, and let's uh, browse one by one through different things, but this is the overall report. It says we have 4 bugs available in the project, no vulnerabilities, 3 security hotspot, and the code that is 1 hour 15 minute, 15 code smells, and overall, and this is the individual issues which is listed one by one. You can either you can go to this code and flip through that. Okay, what are the different things available in this, and individual file and folder and all this. This is the Maya. In under that you can check different things like code coverage, code reliability, security, maintainability, and the duplication and the complexity of the code and project and all these things. So uh, this is something which is called the SonarQube code analysis for a .NET Core project. So here is the thing, right? So thank you very much for watching this video. Goodbye.